welcome to my channel. And in today's tutorial we are going to learn something very simple, and it's about making a baby headband, and I'm making a size of 0 to 3 months. So my things I'm going to use, or the materials, I'm going to use this scissor for cutting, then I'll use a hook 3.0 millimeter. I'll use a needle for sewing when I'm done. Then I have a flower I'm going to attach to beautify the headband, and I'm using pink yarn, worsted weight yarn, and it's robin type, but you can use any other type which is suitable for a baby. So without taking much time, let us begin. So I've already made the slip knot, and I'm going to chain according to the size of the baby. We are making, remember, 0 to 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let us continue chaining. I'm going to show you the inches you want. Now let me show you the centimeters I've made. I've made 9 centimeters, which is here. See, they are 9 centimeters. This is where I've ended. I hope you're seeing properly. So after that, I'm going to turn, because now we are going to make going up. We are building now the headband itself. So what you do, you're going to yarn over, because we are going to do half double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch or chain, and you go to the next chain, then you do half double crochet. So we've done half double crochet. Next, in the next chain, then still you do half double crochet. In the next one, you do half double crochet. In the next one, still half double crochet. So all you need to do is half double crochet. Continue like that until the end here. I'll meet you to show you what we need to do. Now on the second row, we are going to make some simple design, because I don't want it to be so plain. What we are going to do, we are going to chain 1 and turn. So here we are going to do the ribbed design. So we are going to use the back loop. So what you're going to do, you're going to do half double crochet but back loop. So watch me and you see what I'm doing. You yarn over, then you go in this behind. You see it's like a V, but instead of taking this, you take this. So I go only this side. I'm not going to pass through both of them, but I'm going to take only this one here. So I make a half double crochet. Then let us repeat again. Yarn over, go in this back loop, and then you go through, pull through the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, this back loop, pull 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, go in this back loop, pull through, yarn over and pull through. So that's what we are going to do only until we reach there. Then I'll show you what we need to do on the next row. Now I've reached at the end, and when I reached there, I also had to crochet in this last hook, which we made as a stitch rather, which we made as a chain. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. When I turn, still I'm going to do the same thing, yarn over, then I do a back loop, Yeah, so I go through here in this back loop. I pull the yarn. I have 3 yarns on the 3 strands on the hook. I pull through, yarn over, go through the back loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over into the back loop, pull through. You have 3 strands on the hook, up 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, go in the back loop, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, go through the back loop, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. So this is what you're going to do until you reach the end. And actually it's the only thing you're going to do until you reach the size you want and meet the size I'm going to make. Look at how it's looking. This is the way the design is coming out. So now just going to do back loops only half double crochet until you make the inches you want. For me, I'm making 0 to 3 months, so I'm going to make 12 inches. When I reach at 12 inches, I'll come back to show you what we need to do next. Continue crocheting until I come back. Now I've made the 12 inches. It's already 12 inches here. You see, it has reached 12 inches. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to add 1 more row so that I go back and then I join. So I've chained 1. Now after chaining 1, I'm going to turn and then I yarn over. I go in the back loop and I do half double crochet, yarn over, back loop, pull, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, back loop, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, back loop, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, back loop, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. So let's do that until the end, then we join. Don't always forget this last stitch at the end so that you balance your work properly. So I've reached. Now we are going to join. So what we are going to do, I'm going to chain 1 and I turn. Now I'm going to join them like this. You see, I got this one and now I'm joining them together. So I'm going to crochet joining these 2 pieces. Now you're going to yarn over and then we are going to actually do this kind of stitch. Watch carefully. In case you fail, still you can go back. Now I'm going to pull only this front loop from this side and I'll pull the yarn through like that. Actually it's a sleeve stitch what we do. Then I go and I pull this one and then I do a slip stitch. So that's how we are going to join it. We are going to go on each side, getting 1 stitch from each side, and then you slip stitch. Then this one like that, slip stitch. Good. So here it will be like this, and you see it's not going even to show like it's where you joined from. You get, apart from this, of which we are going actually to remove it. So just continue doing the same thing until you reach the end. We're just doing slip stitches from picking a stitch from each end. See? Go this side again, then slip stitch. This side, slip stitch. And this side, slip stitch. This side, slip stitch. This side, slip stitch. This side, slip stitch. This side, so here, and the slip stitch this way. Yeah, so I've reached the other side or the other corner, and this is how it's looking like. So let me slip stitch and then I cut the yarn. Yeah, so I'm fastening off, and this is the way our work is looking. So what I'm going to do, the other flower I showed you, I'm going to put it here where we made a seam or where we joined from. So I'm going to attach the flower. So this one, what I'm going to do with it, I'll just sew it here like this. Actually, we can even use this method. So that it doesn't show where we joined from. Like that. Like that. Like that. So it can't show where we've ended from. So I've finished. Now let me tie it again. Then I cut the yarn. This will be our front part where we joined from. So after putting in the yarn in the needle, now you're going to come and you sew this down. Please make sure the yarn doesn't show up the pink yarn, because remember we are using different colors, so we don't want it to again to appear up. So you have to make sure when you're sewing down only, like you're passing the yarn down. You see how it's looking like? So now we are done, and this is how our headband is looking. Guess what? We've made this headband like in something like maybe 30 minutes. So this is how our headband is looking. Yay! I'm in love with it. Yay! This is how it's looking, and the baby is gonna be cute. So I know some of you will be asking, how did you make the flower, what? So in the next video I'm going to shoot, I'll be teaching you how to make this simple flower so that you can use it. And I have so many other kinds of flowers we can make. I'll be teaching you one by one until like you get a variety of flowers you can choose, because it's not that strictly you're supposed to put this flower. No, in case you know any other kind of flower, you can still crochet. It can work as long as it's small and it can fit here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please like my video, and like the video, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Bye.